Yeah, some days I feel unfazed, like when I'm with my friends with a cup raised. Come Monday, I got a gun raised, suicidal to a dime till hump day. Then I go right back at it like an automatic. More drinks, more songs, more beats to rap. I need a shrink, I'm gone, more time keeps passing. No watch, no thoughts at all, just a hat, new era. Rep my P's and those O's. Need the Phillies with the orange and black to feel home. From Citizens Bank back to Camden Yards, it's a tale of two cities, and trust we go hard. Trust we go hard, yes we go hard. You said we go hard, I said we go hard. Rockin' my Bob Cousy, stocking up on the loose. The lyrics come easy, but the life is a doozy. And yes, I'm choosy, and no, I won't settle, but I still take pop off over that kettle, cause I'm talking bigger picture. And yes, I'm gonna hit you with the no shit. Speak when necessary, no, I've never been a loudmouth. Introvert, but I insert a few wow-wows. No Nick Cannon, David Dano in a powwow. Hennessy, but hold the hip, I'm about to have a brown out. Clowns run around with the makeup on their face to that. I'm astringent, I've been this way. New balls, new beats, yeah, that's me all day. New cars, new freaks, no, you keep that, man. I'm a businessman and a business man. Obstacles made me who I am. Let loose, no truce, my boots come off once Black Paisley has made my family's fortune with a corner office in the greener pastures. Sip cheap liquor till I'm leaning backwards. Grip this dream, you can see my passion. Rep my city, no beef with Asher. Blue Bill or Ambler, help me write the chapters. I'll be home soon and we'll toast to Asti. Sit me Moses to me, no, my name EVA. I'm gone again, back to the mansion. And yes, I'm home again, rocking and handing. And yes, you know the name, Young English, Black Paisley. I was too thick, who they be, who they be, who they be, who they be. Well, they be us, poor English, screwed up semantics. I ain't talking real shit, speak my language. Celebrate the bloodshed, so away the tentative. I'll be on some other shit, so go and tell the other kids. Tell the other kids, tell the other kids. Tell the other kids, tell the other kids. Tell them other kids whatever you like. It's Freestyle Friday, March 19th, whatever. I don't really, is that what they do? Rap songs, rap music, we do what we want. Do the fronts. Yeah. Now look, I just checked the weather on my phone, on my telephone, on my cellular telephone. It's supposed to get up to 71 degrees today. Yeah. What's up, everybody? My name is E-Double, and this is Black Paisley. Here we go. Yeah. I'm at the bar in my jeans and the shirt I got from Target, talking to some pretty lady. Said that blouse is from the forest. I said great, I don't make clothes, but I could probably make those. Unravel simple stitches when I cut my fucking bead nose. Tops, no ceilings outside, old buildings looking like an indie picture that they made for the kids. But this kid ain't having it, cause roofs have advantages. I really ain't a fan of all this rain in my drink, so dump it out and grab a fresh John. On to the next one. Cup runneth over, I am feeling upper echelon. Mistakes have been made and my attitude is shitty, but that's not reason enough to have this party turn pity. So we owe until the sunrise. Loose ends untied, hands stay dumb high, sipping on that Mumbai. Gin and tonics, grease the wheels, lemon lime, the rhymes are peeled. Monsters in the city, so let's run this town like Cloverfield. Raise the roof, love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding to the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind. We are happy where we are. Robots can't shrink, but I know that I can. Even on a double doses, I can. Dish that riff-raff, anybody's opiates and arms traded like my veins from Taipan. That's the part of the night where I black out. 2 sheets to the wind, need a snack now. No sheets, no wah-wah, only roll phone when this town stop playing Joe Stackhouse. I got my vices, they got the ices, and they booby trapped all the nice shit. So take a knee, man, and drink a schmear off. It's not my cup of tea, so I veer off. I'm on my way now, Vision Quest out. Headphones and my battery is full power. Fuck a cab cause the music drives me. Solo ride time cause my mind got high beam. The Gatorade soothes me, but I'm choosy. Original colors cause the others never wooed me. No problem, I'm on that fruit punch, can't bully me. I never lose lunch, in other words I rarely vomit. Frequency is that of the Haley Comet. Unless I'm on the mic then it's fairly common. If I capture the stomach like a virgin ramen, I roll. Love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding to the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind, blind, blind. We are happy where we are. When the sun comes back and my lungs are full of arrogance, recall the night's events. Hope I wasn't acting arrogant, but I probably was. I was sipping on the Seraphim, purchased by some bougie broads who thought I was a terrapin. Goddamn, I'm a turtle with a hard shell, stubborn as a used car dealer with his hard sell. But I ain't buying it, I can still retire this. Put the bottle down, pick it up and get high again. Raise the roof, love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding for the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind, blind, blind. We are happy where we are. Yeah.